to McDonald's and I got their $1 McChicken. It's not bacon buffalo. Where is it? There it is, McChicken. Whoa, look at that. Very green. Alright, first thing we want is, we did chipotles earlier. We want pickles. Lots of pickles. These are dill pickles. A little more. Got some ham. We have some chili. This is 5-bean chili. Amazing. Condiment. In Mexico, they would love this. For the birds. All right, wait for it. This is Martha Stewart, Rachel Ray cooking. I'm going to have trouble eating this. It's going to make a mess. Retear. And there you go. Come on, 9.5 ounces. And what kind of dipping sauce? I guess it's Bullseye Everyday Barbecue Sauce Original. Only thing that's missing is, wait for it, pause for the cause. We have Goulden's mustard with hot sauce. Bam. There you go. McDonald's, you already know that Taco Bell got nothing on me, but no one's ever made your $1 chicken look like, bam, that. This is insane. Look at that. I don't do things like that. But 13.3 ounces, and guess what? That's yummy. Love you.